Hello guys, this is Gauram Avi. It has been I think 5 to 6 days since I haven't posted a video. I will try to be more regular. So in order to do that, I will try to speak only for 5 minutes, and in that way I will be consistent, and I will be continue to improve my communication skills. So as I do every day, I will tell you about my day and any current news that I have read. So when it comes to today I didn't work out. Yesterday I did around 200 reverse push-up and then 50 push-up, normal push-up, and then I think 20 or 25 diamond push-up. So yesterday I did that. Tomorrow I am thinking to. Today I have fixed my pull-up bar. It was slightly hanging, and I have fixed it. I have brought it in a level. Guys, other than that, tomorrow I think I will go for running, and we'll do some maybe shoulder workout. So now the time is 7:15, and after 10 minutes I will have my dinner. And other than that, as you know, like it's 15th April, and the temperature is increasing day by day. In our village, wheat crop has ripened. People have started to harvest that. So they are bringing now the wheat to their home, the grains to their home, and now only risk is that it should not rain now, right? Otherwise the whole crop will be damaged, and it will be very harmful for the farmers as well as to Indian government, because government distribute these wheats, right, to the poor people as part of National Food Security Act. I think government is giving that free of cost nowadays. Earlier it used to charge I think 2 rupees for wheat, and I think 3 rupees for rice per kg. But it has restricted. It has, since COVID, it has removed that charges, and it has made free of cost. Government also has another scheme called Antyodaya Yojana, in which I think 530 kg these grains are given to very poor people, right? But one thing that you should note, that over 75% of public in India, of families, are getting the ration, right? So even if they are capable, they are getting the ration. So that is the thing which is I just wanted to share that fact with you, all. When it comes to current news, US-Iran war is ongoing, and other than that, one thing which is related to international relation, that Pakistan has tried to broker the peace between USA and Iran, but it has not been succeeded, because Israel is still bombarding the Lebanon. They have Hezbollah. Hezbollah is present in Lebanon. That's where, and that is a terrorist organization as per the Israel, and that's where they are destroying even the capital city of Beirut, which is the capital city of Lebanon. Other than that, there's exercise related to give women reservation, to give the reservation to women MPs and MLA. 30%, 33%, one third of seat will be reserved. So that exercise government is planning to brought in this upcoming monsoon budget. So they are going to delimit all the existing constituencies based on 2011 census. Earlier it was based on 19. That's the seats were fixed based on 1971 census, but now they are the area under the constituency that was fixed based on 2002 census, right? So government is planning to change that, and so if it is done, then the number of seats for in the parliament in the Lok Sabha will increase to around 815, which is 550 right now. So with this exercise, the opposition is raising they are against this implementation, this amendment, because as per them, the southern states, the share of their seat in the Lok Sabha will decrease, because the states which have more population, their number of seats will increase. That's where they are raising the concern, right? So let's see how it goes. Other than that, I don't think so any other news was there like which I need to discuss here. India US deal is has been paused for now. Sensex market there was some good movement. Sensex has been increasing for the last 2-3 days. Other than that, yeah, I was reading one news related to food wastage. So India ranks, I think, second in the world when it comes to wastage of food. Yeah, so this news was related to a temple in, I think, in Gujarat, where around 11,000 liter of milk was poured into Narmada river. So what it caused, it has milk is very very precious commodity. Many children don't get it, and India, like I think 37% of our children are malnourished, right? They are stunted, they are wasted. So with that amount of milk, I think for around 20 days, for 2,200 children per day, that amount of milk would have been sufficient for them. But that has been wasted, and it has been thrown into the river, and so river pollution has also increased, because biological oxygen demand will also increase, right? And the existing organism will find less oxygen for their survival. So I think government should bring some kind of policies so that this kind of things should not happen in the name of religion. Things should be preserved, protected. Other than that, yeah, these were the news, guys. So I will stop my videos here and keep practicing. Thank you very much. Bye bye.